Hello, my name is Gabriela Rengel, I'm social communication student at the Bicentennial University of Aragua in classroom E2A in the English unit. When you start learning a language, you begin by creating short phrases. For example, I like coffee. The next step in the learning process is to link the phrase to another one. For example, I like coffee and I like tea. The word "and" is what we call a connector. And is one of the first connectors you learn. There are many more connectors, all of which can significantly enrich your conversation English. What are connectors? Connectors, also known as linking words and transitions words, are tools that connect different parts of a sentence or paragraph. They guide the reader through the text, showing how ideas relate to each other. Contrast connector. Contrast connectives in English are words or phrases used to show a different opposition or contrast with unite ideas or statements. Vocabulary tags express the idea, whereas it is used for comparing two things which just significant different from each other. However, as it is used to indicate and contrast or contradictions. Yet, as it is used to have sometimes the is surprising after the first sentence which are mentioned before, but it is used to have a statement which is different from way you have said before. Example, I like swimming, but my brother prefers Romina. The movie was interesting, however, it was too long. Addition connectors. We can addition connector when we want to add one phrase to another to have extra information. Obviously, the most common of this is and we did the other addition connector had a little more emphasis and are also more common in written English, especially moreover and furthermore. Vocabulary can express the idea. Furthermore, add more information or supporting evidence to what had already been said. In addition, add another adding or idea to unless. Moreover, indicates that what is being said is in addition to something already mentioned. Also, add more information to what has already been said. Example, she installed musicians. Also, she's a great songwriter. I need to buy eggs, milk, and bread. In addition, I am also going to have some cheese. Thank you so much.